Welcome back from the summer holiday. My name is Susan, and I'll be your teacher here at Booked Up English. I am so happy to see you again. Use all the videos on the Facebook page or YouTube channel to practice your English. During the school year, I'll have 2 posts a week centered around building vocabulary and speaking short, targeted conversations. On Tuesdays, we'll learn 3 new words. On Thursdays, we'll practice using the vocabulary in structured grammar sentences. Today, we'll learn vocabulary about school. Let's go. Desk, desk, desk. This is a desk. What's this? This is a desk. Pencil, pencil, pencil. This is a pencil. What's this? This is a pencil. Paper, paper, paper. This is paper. What's this? This is paper. Thanks for learning today. If you have any questions or comments, send a message or post below in the comments. I'd love to know what you want to learn more about. See you Thursday.